Hi, it's Elliot here at Porsche Centre Vaughan and wanted to give you an update on our Porsche Classic Cayenne restoration. Some updates we've done on the vehicle from what you can see is relocation of the fog lights, full skid plate underneath body protection. One unique feature that we have done to the 955 Cayenne Turbo are the OEM off-road wheels from Porsche with the OEM mud flaps. And what you're seeing underneath is a full transfer case protection, fuel tank protection, and rear diff. And you can't make an off-road car without some added rock guard protection on the side. We are really excited to share the final stage of our vehicle in our next video.